Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to my third Fatwood Friday now. Last week's video shout out was to Bruce from Nature Calls, and this week's shout out I did at home again, so I wouldn't have to lug everything out there, so we'll cut to that clip. Okay, this week's channel shout out, if I can learn how to speak, goes to, drumroll, Wandering Beast. Excellent channel. And of course last week was Nature Calls Backpacking, so links will be down in the description. Why does it look fuzzy? Alright, so check out Wandering Beast, as the link to his channel will be down in the description. Let's get our Fatwood Friday going. And happy Friday. Alrighty. If you missed my video on this cutting board, check my channel. Let's get the camera turned down. Today I'm using the BK7. Love this knife. Firesteel.com ferro rod with scraper. And the same piece of ferro rod. Same piece of Fatwood I've been working on, so I just have a couple more pieces, so of course I'm not going to put fire on the cutting board, so this guy back so he doesn't soak up any moisture. Alrighty, so what I did is I went and got a leaf just so I'd have something, a moisture barrier to keep moisture from sucking up into my Fatwood. Oh, damn it. Son of a... One thing I didn't want to have happen just happened. Fuck. Alright, take two. I went and grabbed a piece of bark. It didn't feel super wet, so... give this a try. There we go. That's better. It's one of those days that sound better on paper.